So now you're out shopping for a home. One of the things that you may ask yourself is, should I buy a new build, also known as new construction? And the answer is quite possibly yes. A couple of things that you may like about a new build is that it's gonna have the newest amenities, often things that you won't be able to find in homes that are even 5 or 10 years older. Another thing about new builds is that in a good market, you may sign the contract to purchase and the price may be here, and by the time you close, the value of the home could already have gone up even before you've actually purchased that particular home. You're also going to find that most new builds are going to come with a warranty on the property itself. And this isn't like a resale home warranty. This is a warranty that's going to cover almost everything inside of the house because it is brand new. You'll also like that for at least some foreseeable numbers of years, you're likely going to have less maintenance than what you would have and if you were buying a resale property. Now, definitely still recommend that you work with an agent when you're trying to find a new build. When you go into the new developments, make sure that you register saying that you have your real estate agent and use them to even help you tour these new properties just like you're touring the resale properties. Even visit the same ones on the same day. Last thing is that's most important with your agent is having them negotiate on your behalf. There are a lot of things to be left on the table when you're purchasing a new build that agents know about and can help you navigate and fight past. There are also some things that you're likely going to want to watch out for when purchasing a new build. The first one is just understanding, is the price actually worth it? Ask your agent to run a comparable market analysis on the new build compared to other resale homes that are available in that particular area. You'll also want to find out if other people that are purchasing in that area have kids. It's easy to drive the streets of a resale community and to be able to see, are there swing sets, are there kids running around? It's a little harder to do in a new build community. You also need to be aware that there are going to be extra costs associated with a new build that you may not think of on the way in. The one that gets most people is landscaping. More often than not, the new build won't actually include any grass, any trees, shrubs, or the like, and you'll be responsible for putting those in after the fact. Last but not least, make sure that you're keeping an eye out on what the lenders are that they're offering to you from the new build community. Oftentimes, it's good to get comparable rates through your agent or through other partnerships that you may have to make sure that you're not taking out a loan with too high of an interest rate or too many additional strings attached to it. For any questions on this, I recommend you reach out to a Sentry Residential agent or visit us at sentryresidential.com.